In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Talkie AI account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can remove your account confidently and avoid common pitfalls. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google. Using Google keeps things simple because we can quickly find the official Talkie AI site without guessing URLs or digging through bookmarks. In the search bar, type Talkie AI and press Enter. You'll see a list of results. Look for the official website result for Talkie AI. It should clearly reference the company and its homepage. Be mindful of ads that might appear at the top. Make sure you're clicking the legitimate site so you land in the right place. Once the Talkie AI homepage loads, scroll all the way to the bottom. Most companies place important legal and account-related links in the footer, and that's where we'll find what we need. Look for the link labeled Privacy Policy and click it. If you're on a phone or tablet, you may need to expand the footer or scroll a bit more to spot it, but it will be down there. On the Privacy Policy page, scroll through and locate the section that covers account removal. It's typically labeled something like Delete Account. If the page is long, use your browser's Find feature to search for the word Delete or Account to jump right to the section. Once you find it, click the Delete Account link provided there. This link takes you directly to the area where you can initiate the removal. On the next screen, you'll see an option to deactivate account. Go ahead and click Deactivate Account. Services sometimes use Deactivate as the button label while describing the broader process as account deletion in their policy. Clicking this begins the closure process according to Talkie AI's terms. If a confirmation prompt appears, review it carefully and proceed to confirm. That's typically all you need to do on the site for the request to take effect. To recap, you go to Google, search for Talkie AI, open the official site, scroll to the footer, open the privacy policy, find the Delete Account section, and then choose Deactivate Account. Before you take this step, consider saving anything important from your account and making sure you don't have active subscriptions tied to it, as deletion can be permanent and may affect access to any content or services linked to your profile. That's it. Follow these actions, take your time with each screen, and you'll successfully delete your Talkie AI account. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made the process clear and stress-free.